Hello, my name is Bill French, and over the years I've helped thousands of people select the right tool, the right borescope for their specific application. And that's what I want to do today. Everything on this table can be called a borescope, but what's the right one for your specific application? So let's start over here. This is called a rigid borescope. The reason why it's called a rigid borescope is because this section is rigid. It's not designed to be turned or maneuvered. Then we get into a fiberscope. This is a flexible fiberscope. And it's exactly what it sounds like. There are fibers that run down the probe up to the eyepiece that allow you to look at your inspection area. We also offer a flexible borescope or fiberscope with articulation. That means that you can steer or maneuver the tip of the borescope. Then we move into the video scope, and it's exactly, some people actually call it a video borescope, but it's exactly what it sounds like. We call it a video scope because you actually have a screen that you can see the video. There's actually a micro camera at the tip of this probe. Now in borescopes, we can offer them with two-way articulation, we can offer them with four-way articulation, and then there's systems with advanced features such as joystick articulation. So we're able to articulate 360 degrees in your inspection area. And then lastly, some people call it a long length borescope camera. We'll have the push camera systems that will have cameras that can go up to 400 feet of length. So which one's the right one for you? Well, let's go back. Maybe you're looking in castings or other fixed inspections. This is designed for you to be able to look through your eyepiece and to see your inspection. They're available in very different lengths, diameter probes, and even the angle of view. Do you need to go into a port and look straight up? Do you need to look just a little bit 30 degrees? They can be designed for your specific application. The micro borescope or microfiberscope, the same way. These can be designed and provided to you with various lengths, various diameters, and even angles of view, what direction you want to look at. Now, with these fiberscope or fiberscope borescopes, you may say, well, gee, I really like that, but I want to take pictures. Is that an option? Sure. We can offer you a USB camera attachment with an ocular viewer. And what that does is it will go over the eyepiece of the borescope, and we call it a USB camera because it hooks up via a USB port to your computer. Your computer then becomes the monitor to view your image as well as to record the data, take videos, take pictures. Now, the borescopes, the fiberscope borescopes, they require an external light source. And there's two different types. We can offer a portable light source. It's exactly what it sounds like. So we can able to hook it up to our device, and you can see the light coming out the tip of the system. So now this is portable. I can go anywhere in my inspection area, or maybe your shop, and you can do your random inspections. Now maybe that's not bright enough, or if you're going to use the USB camera attachment, then we'll use a high intensity LED light source because it provides a much brighter light source than the portable, and it hooks up to the borescope via a light guide. Exactly what it sounds like. It guides the light to the borescope. The portable video scopes, however, they will offer built-in LED lighting. Some will offer the LEDs at the tip. Other will offer the LED inside the body of the control station, and that light is transferred out the tip. So from here, we can actually see the image on our screen. We can adjust the LED lighting to whatever we need, because if it's something like shiny aluminum, maybe we need to turn the lighting down because we're getting too much light back at us. And again, the articulation is invaluable for many of our aviation, helicopter, and aerospace customers because they need to get inside and they need to look around to be able to complete their inspections. Take a picture, simply push a button, take the picture, time, date, stamp, and record video. So depending on what your specific application is, we can help you. So for that borescope that you need, maybe you just really need a rigid borescope. Maybe you need a fiberscope. Maybe you need a 100-foot push borescope. Whatever your application is, we can help you. If you have any other questions, click on the link in the description, usaborescopes.com, and give us a call. We can help you find the exact tool you need for your specific inspection.